You are now watching another A&A production.
Hey, now.
How to earn money with winter lawn care. First off, you have to free yourself of the notion that lawn care stops in the winter. It only stops if you let it. See, in the summer, I'm already thinking about the winter, so I prep. Let me explain. I start off by saving the nest egg because you can't predict the weather. I'm also letting my customers know that I can continue to service their lawn in the winter. Plus, I make sure I collect all the supplies and equipment needed to assist me with winter lawn care. Mississippi winters are okay for the most part. Some days are bad, but most days are good. Those days allows you to do leaf cleanups, gutter cleaning, shrub trimming, land mulch, or pine straw. Let potential customers know that you are still available in the winter months. Continue to advertise. Continue to be seen. Also, educate your customers on why certain services provided in the winter are needed. For example, letting leaves stay on the ground throughout the fall and winter robs the grass of sunlight. Plus, it can cause diseases in your lawn and be a shelter for bugs that can harm your lawn. There are also benefits in land mulching your flower beds. One of them is moisture retention. Covering the soil with 2 inches of mulch slows the moisture evaporation from the soil. Also, temperature moderation. That's also another good benefit. The soil blocks the sun and helps keeps the soil cool. It also stops weeds from emerging. If your customers are interested in these benefits, then it should be a no-brainer for them, and it'll keep you busy throughout the winter. I gotta keep it real. Business ain't booming right now, so I'm staying busy as much as I can. I use this time to produce videos just like this one for you guys. The subscribe. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to my little buddy Ashton. Take advantage of the extra time. Use this time to work on the business. Not in the business, but on the business. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.